One book became 30 professional YouTube shorts and a complete month of useful content. This is how I turned the ideas already inside my book into a finished video library without filming 30 separate videos. Authors and speakers often have years of valuable ideas inside books, talks, articles, and transcripts. The problem is not a lack of expertise, it is the time required to turn that expertise into consistent professional video content. The system is straightforward. Identify one useful lesson, write a strong hook in concise narration, design 4 consistent mobile-safe slides, then add the voiceover, finished MP4, and complete YouTube upload copy. Each short is more than a video file. It includes the finished vertical MP4, the cover, narration, voiceover, and the complete publishing kit, title, description, tags, 5 hashtags, and an engagement focus pinned comment. This is a fully managed done-for-you service. You provide the book, talk, article, or existing business content. Our team selects the strongest ideas, writes the scripts, creates the branded visuals, records the voiceover, produces each short, and supplies the complete publishing kit. You receive a consistent professional content series without filming, editing, or managing the production process. The result is a coherent library of 30 finished shorts, each built around a distinct lesson from the book. The consistent visual approach makes the series recognizable, while the useful daily messages educate the audience and keep the book visible without turning every video into an ad. There are 3 ways to begin. 3 shorts for $100 lets you test the format. 10 shorts for $295 builds a focus campaign. 30 shorts for $795 creates the complete content library. If your best ideas already live inside a book, talk, article, or transcript, you do not need to start from scratch. Choose a package, share your source material, and let BizoMedia turn it into professional shorts ready to publish. Scan the QR code or visit app.bizomediamarketing.com/shorts.